Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can get the affiliate link on Amazon. Now there's a couple of things you need to know. Affiliate link is basically a special link that you can get once you sign up to something called Amazon affiliate program. Basically, this link is, once you get it, you can promote this product, okay, and you can promote this product. And this product, if someone can uses this link to buy something, to use this link to buy that product that you're promoting, you're going to get a 10% cut. So how you can see this, how you can get this affiliate link, after you sign up for the affiliate link program, you're going to open Google Chrome, and on Amazon.com, okay, on phone, okay, if you're like this, you're not going to be able to see or be able to get the link actually. As you can see, like this, you just can't. So what you need to do is that you're going to click on the three buttons over here, and then you're going to click on desktop site. Okay, once you click on desktop site and you zoom up over here, you can see something called Amazon Associates Site Stripe. This is related to the Amazon affiliate program. Now once you click on get link text, okay, you can get a text, which is the link, which is the short link you can copy, so people, once they use it and they buy this graphics card, for example, you're going to get the 10% cut. Okay, you can get the short link or the full link, but I just like the short link because it looks better. Okay, I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and now I have the link and I can post it whenever I want. So this is how you can get the Amazon affiliate link. And yeah, it was that easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.